2014 to 2020 GM trucks and SUVs front wheel bearing replacement. Let's start by removing our ABS sensor. Let's unplug it first. There is a red tab there. Unfortunately, you can't see it because of dust in there, and you'll see right there the red tab. You push it and disengage it. There you have it. Let's pop off the wiring from the suspension, because the new wheel bearing come with ABS sensor anyway. You don't need that one. Let's remove our brake rotor returning screw. It is a T30, and jam the rotor with a screwdriver like this when you're removing it. There you have it. Let's remove our caliper bracket. It is 280mm. You can use the regular hand tool or use a air-powered tool like this with a swivel 18, and you can do the job. Use a caliper hanging tool so you don't let it hang by the caliper hose. That's not good. And when you remove the rotor, if you're gonna reuse it, be careful you don't hit the braking surfaces. Alright, now let's spray those 350mm that hold the wheel bearing in place, and we're gonna remove our axle nut. It is a 36mm. There you have it. And there is a washer in there. Make sure you take it off. You will need to reuse it. There it is. Now let's remove the wheel bearing bolt. They're 15mm. You can use a 1/2 inch like this to break the bolt free because they're pretty tight, or use when you're done, you can use a regular ratchet, create ratchet in a 15mm to take it off all the way. Use a hammer like this, hit the wheel bearing on both sides so it can pop loose from the knuckle. That one wasn't that bad. There you have it. Use a wire brush like this, clean the surfaces so it can sit flush with the steering knuckle. There it is. Let's put our brake dust shield, and make sure you put the ABS wire through that hole right there I just showed you. And let's put our bolt back on. There it is. Put our axle nut on. Holder. Let's put our caliper bracket bolt. Let's put our new, let's reroute our new ABS sensor wire in the right location. The link for the parts will be in the comment section below. Yeah. There it is, guys, and that's it. Now let's torque down our wheel bearing. The torque spec is 133 foot-pound of torque. There it is, and that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.